Hi guys, there's nothing better than taking it slow. That's what I'm going to be doing today. Just finished work now and I'm keen to go and pick some berries. The trick is now to try and find them. Now I can't tell you much about where I'm going because that'd be giving the game away, wouldn't it? There might not even be any there yet. I'm going to need about a kilo of them or something like that. And then I'll take them back to mine, stick them in the freezer. Once they're frozen, bring them out. That does something to them. It brings some of the goodness out of them, in a way. That part of the process. Regular viewers will know that I'm not a big drinker, although I do like a tipple every now and again when I'm doing an overnighter, as long as it's decent crafted beer.
Reggie, come here.
We're in the right neighbourhood here. Got a hawthorn tree there. Not many berries on that. Oak. Got an oak. This is what we're looking at. These babies. Can you see? I want to get on with picking now and harvest as much as I can, and leaving some for the rest of the little critters around. Look like black grapes, but they don't quite bunch like that. You usually get about 3 or 4 on one bunch, but they're all separate. They all come from separate stems. I'll show you one. As you can see there, each one comes from its own little stem coming off the main branch, and the leaves are waxy, similar to the huckleberry plant really, but that's more of a shrub. I don't think we've done too bad there at all. So that's it guys, I've got a fair amount, enough to do me, so I will see you in the next part of the process. So here we are back at the homestead guys, and I've taken the sloes out of the freezer and they're just going to warm up a little bit. And we've got the Hortus gin there and the Rachmaninoff vodka. We're going to make some sloe gin and sloe vodka. Kilner jar is what I'm going to use. It seals up at the top there, as you can see. We'll pour the ingredients in, and then every now and again we're going to give it a stir. So all the weights and measures I'll put in the description box below guys, but first of all you add your sloes to the jars, and in this case there's around about half a pound of sloes in each jar. To that I'm going to add around about 125 grams of caster sugar. That's about £1/4 pound in old English money. And that goes in both jars guys. Once you've put that in, give it a bit of a stir it around, prepare these little berries, these little babies, ready for the good stuff. I'm using Hortus, it's original London dry gin, as you can see there. It comes in a lovely stout bottle, distilled in England, and it's traditionally distilled in copper stills. All the original stuff. And for any of you connoisseurs out there, you'll know that a classic martini is 60ml original gin, 20ml dry vermouth, and 1 green olive to garnish. And depending on your style, shaken, not stirred, stirred, shaken, however you like it. Once you've given it a little stir, then you can add the rest of the gin. This bottle contains 70 centilitres of gin, so I'm going to have to add a little bit more to the kiln jar, and I'll do that at another time. And we're going to give it a shake, and we're going to give it a stir. Shake it, but don't break it, guys, whatever you do. Then we're going to put that down, and we're going to kickstart the Rachmaninoff. So this is a litre bottle. Again, we've already stirred the content of the kiln jar, so I'll put a little bit in and give it a quick once over, quick stir. Spread all the goodness around, and pour in the rest of the bottle. As it starts to settle, you'll see the colour of the liquid will start to be more transparent. Again, you want to shake it, don't break it. And then what I like to do with anything like this is just stick a label on it so I know which is which, and stick a date on. Leave both jars for a couple of 3 months, and simply every day just shake each jar a little bit, twist them and turn them and so forth. And I'm also going to keep them in a dark, warmish place, and just let the natural process occur. All it leaves me to say, guys, is thanks for watching. I hope you found it entertaining and interesting, and you've learned something. If you've got any comments, leave them down below, and if you're interested in joining the channel, please do so, the more the merrier. So all I can say is thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next hook fin. Take care for now, guys. It is well optical illusions. Badgie, can you just be quiet? Filming here.